Welcome back to my channel Select Lifestyle. In today's video we will teach you how to make homemade liquid dishwash. Ingredients: 1 cup liquid soap or any shampoo base. 1 tablespoon baking soda for scrubbing and deodorizing. 1 tablespoon washing soda for extra grease-fighting power. 1 tablespoon of white vinegar helps cut grease and add shine. 10 to 15 drops of essential oils like lemon, tea tree, or orange. 1 cup distilled warm water. Instructions: dissolve powders in a bowl, mix the baking soda and washing soda with the warm water until dissolved. Add white vinegar and then slowly stir in the white vinegar, it will fizz a bit. Now mix in soap, add the liquid soap or shampoo base and then mix it gently. Remember, don't shake hard, or it'll foam. Use about a teaspoon per sink of dishes. For tough grease, apply directly to the sponge. Tip: shake gently before each use, as ingredients may separate over time. You might think homemade dishwash liquid is just for dishes, but it's super versatile. It cuts grease and makes your plates and glasses shine, plus you can use it to clean kitchen counters, stovetops, and even your fridge. So this little homemade mix can leave your whole kitchen sparkling clean. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Select Lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.